At Lincoln Electric, we're working to build a better world. We find new ways to cut and join metals.
I'm working on the next big breakthrough.
I help our customers use data to monitor the quality of welds anywhere in the world.
I make automation easy.
I work with our customers to ensure that our products meet their needs.
When our customers change materials, we address it right on the spot.
I designed one machine to do the work of 7.
We build it from the ground up.
I am developing advanced technology to deposit metal faster.
I see a future where it takes half the time to process and join metals.
I create smarter systems using machine learning.
We'll be able to deliver instructions right to your helmet.
The data is out there.
The technology is right here.
I'm helping the next generation of welders get into the game.
We're working with governments around the world to set up welding education.
We are Lincoln Electric.
I am Lincoln Electric.
And this is how I'm building a better world.
Building products that are designed to last.
Building relationships with our customers.
Building our team.
Building our workforce.
Building trust.
And building a better world.
The golden rule is essential. What helps others will help us.
For 125 years, we've been operating by a higher standard to build a better world.